All right, what's going on, guys? So today's a little bit different of a video. I ordered some Infinity reference speakers that I was gonna install in the car and do for my weekly upload, but they didn't come, they're delayed. So thanks UPS. So I've been wanting to add a drone to the channel for doing cool B-roll and, you know, following the car, rolling shots, and I mean, drones are cool. It just expands what we can do. So maybe we're branching out from a full car channel into doing drone stuff too. So hopefully you guys like that. So I picked up the DJI Mini 3 Pro. So the remote's inside charging still. So today is gonna be our first drone footage. Basically, just doing an intro, and from here on out, we'll see what kind of footage we can get, and then what I think of it, you know, how easy it is to fly, and hopefully I can take the car out and get some footage of the car, since we are mainly a car channel. But yeah, something new on the channel to play with. So I'm gonna wait until this remote fully charges, and then we'll get up in the air and see how she goes. All right, guys, that'll wrap up today's video. No, it's not super exciting. That was just me practicing with the drone. I wanted to see how quality the footage was, and I kind of wanted to show you how good of a camera is on these new drones. Even though this isn't like the big Mavic or anything like that, the Mini Pro, I mean, it holds its own. You can tell by the video how good it really is. So I'm gonna edit this together, get it uploaded, and then expect to see more drone footage, some rolling shots of the car, stuff like that in the future. And then I might just do some other drone footage. There's some really neat spots here in the Kansas City metro area we can check out and kind of go from there. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this installment today. Back to car stuff next week. I've got those speakers I'm gonna install. And yeah, so like I said, expect more drone stuff. And hopefully you guys like this content. Have a great day. Please like, subscribe. And I'm still doing the blow-off valve giveaway that should be ending here in about 2 weeks, just over. So just make sure you drop those comments on that video doing the giveaway. You have to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and comment only on that video. I mean, comment on other ones too, but for the contest, it's only on that video. So have a great day, and we'll catch you all in the next one.